this segment is going to be a follow-up of what I preached earlier, or I taught earlier. If you like to open with me the book of Jeremiah the prophet, chapter 31, this is what God says. Verse 14. I will satiate or satisfy the soul of the priests with abundance, and my people shall be satisfied with my goodness, says the Lord God. This verse shows us the character of God, who God is, what's his character. What is it? It's I'll satiate, I'll satisfy. In other words, they will eat and be satisfied, and they will no longer hunger for some spiritual food from somewhere very far. But where they are, I will satiate them, or I will satisfy them, just right where you are. I'm appealing to those of you who go very far to look for satisfaction spiritually, materially, and socially. God came through Jesus Christ and became Emmanuel. And the name Emmanuel means God with us. I don't feel nice when I find people going to look for God in Korea, from Kenya. Others are going to look for God somewhere very far. You have to fly there. But he is Emmanuel, God with me. He doesn't come, he doesn't go. He is there. We found him here. He is still here. But here it is. In his presence is fullness of joy. And God says, when you are with me, you will get satisfied. Your soul will be filled with my goodness. The prophet here was told with abundance. The priests. Now you say the priests, that does just mean reverends, bishops? No. No. It means men and women, people of God. According to Revelation, thanks be to God, through Jesus Christ, who has washed us, redeemed us by his blood, and has made us priests and kings in the kingdom of God. Wherever you are, just an ordinary believer. God does not see you as an ordinary believer. He sees you as a king, a ruler, ruling in life, not just others, ruling in your life, in your family, your home, your income, your business, whatever you have, rule it. Whatever God gives you, rule it. But the power to rule it is not in your hand. It is in God's hand, and he will give it to you according to what you need and what you ask. And I want you to hear this. The Lord Jesus said, ask anything in my name. Today, I want to ask him to help you to become a ruler. Ruler, which means nothing will ever overrule you or rule you out of your proportion. You will rule it. Let's put it like this. The Bible says when riches increase, those who eat it also increase. The Bible tells us not to put our faith or hope in money or riches, because it catches wings and flies like an eagle to the sky and gets lost. I tell you the truth. I'm not saying you must be poor to be holy. I'm saying God will make you a ruler. When he sends anything to you, he will find a ruler. He won't rule you. When God lifts you up, you're going to become a rogue, a powerful man who does not look at others. You see others below you. And the higher you go, the lower they remain. He has a reason why. He wants you to bow down where they are and lift them up. Now, look at the Lord Jesus Christ. They brought a woman to him who was caught in the act of adultery, and by the law of Moses, that woman was to be stoned in the public. They came with stones, and they brought her. They made one mistake of bringing her to the feet of Jesus. They threw her there. They said, what do you say? Moses said, we stone her. What do you say? And you know what he did? Down there on the ground where that woman was, Jesus stooped and wrote something that saved that woman's life. How many of us, so-called blessed bishops, so-called blessed evangelists, pastors, and others are apostles, how many of us will come down where our people are? No. In fact, we laugh at them because they don't have, like us, what we have. If somebody comes from the slum, he's not welcome. Only the rich are welcome. Hear me, saints, that time is gone. Believe you me, God is gathering his church together. The souls of men are very expensive. They can't be sold. No, they can't be bought. Tomorrow when they come to your church on Sunday, please do this. Go ahead. Make them feel that they are the only ones in that church. She's the only one in that church. Jesus left all the multitude and went down, stooped down to the ground and wrote something. I wish I knew what he wrote. I could use it very profitably. But that's a mystery. It is that stooping down from high, Son of God, from high, the Messiah, from high, the miracle worker. Stoop down where the woman was. He comes down where you are. They may conclude you and say no longer exists, just remaining to bury. Some people in Kenya, if you succeed and then be found in a problem, or they will bury you before you die. Believe you me. But Jesus will never do that. Jesus will never join them to assassinate your character. He will never join them to do you wrong. If you are so low, and you are so badly treated by anybody, by any people, hear this. Down there where they have thrown you, look up. He's coming where you are. And Jesus raised her up. Those who accused her, what happened? When Jesus put a question to them, they were convicted, and all of them returned with their stones in their hands. Believe you me, God will not join those who want to destroy you. No matter how much they pray, no matter how spiritual they are, God will not join them to destroy you. Today, trust him. Jesus himself. Tell him, Lord, I thank you that you mind me. I'm down here, alone, lonely, but I have you. He's the one who said, Lo, I am with you always. Always. During this time of the corona, people are asking, what do we do? Where do we go to? What do we do so bad that God is punishing us? Who told you God brought the corona? God is not a killer. He doesn't have a store where he has diseases, so he releases them to kill people. That's not God of the Bible. The God of the Bible is a healer. He can't bring the diseases and then heal them. No, he is the healer. We live in a sinful world. Planet Earth will not remain like this. Planet Earth will go away. Heavens will pass away. His word will stay. So now look beyond the corona problems and see God. Thank you that corona came while you are here on earth. Don't wish you died. No. This you can't stop. But thank God you are here and you are passing through a very, very victorious Christian. What is killing others, use it as a platform to glorify God. If corona didn't come when you are here, it could mean nothing. It just come when you are here to mean something. Lift up your head and look up. Jesus is coming down where the corona-trodden people are and is looking for one who can raise his hands or her hands and say, Jesus, I love you. Believe you me, he will do it again. As I said, multiplication is a must. As long as you remain in his hands. In his hands, things don't decrease, they multiply. So, I pray for you now, and I say, Father, we commit ourselves into your hands, the hands that multiply life, our people, our relatives, our neighbors. Jesus, multiply me enough to show your glory in the midst of them. I thank you. In Jesus' name, amen.